Look at the far left line. Crate is split.
Got it. Taking it off the line.
Defect on line 3.
Removed. The rest are acceptable.
Check the throughput on line 3.
Looks stable. We're hitting the target quantities.
Vibrating separation tables remove dirt, stones, and plant debris from the garlic bulbs, while air blowers lift lightweight impurities away.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's reading a little low.
Okay. Adjusting it now. We need full coverage on the next batch.
The industrial washing process ensures peak cleanliness for every bulb.
Pressure remains steady.
Data confirms the flow rate is precise. Everything is optimal.
The speed on line 3 seems slightly off. We should increase the flow rate.
Got it. Adjusting the knob now to stabilize the airflow.
We need to adjust the feeder mechanism by 2 millimeters.
Okay. I'll log the adjustment in the system now.
Utilizing high-precision rotary blades, the system removes roots and stems with surgical accuracy before moving the bulbs to the next stage.
The spacing on lane 3 is off. Okay, I will adjust the calibration now.
Utilizing advanced optical sensors, the system detects discoloration and mold. The rejected bulbs are swiftly.
The automated system ensures perfect consistency, diverting the grated garlic into precise processing.
Here in the peeling hall, millions of bulbs are processed daily. The stainless steel systems ensure a continuous, high-detail workflow.
In the peeling chambers, compressed air loosens the skins, and rotating drums separate the cloves, ensuring maximum efficiency and yield.
Utilizing synchronized machinery, the skins are quickly suctioned away, leaving behind pristine garlic ready for transport. Keep the pace steady. Ensure all yellowed cloves are removed before the next section.
Industrial efficiency at its finest. The continuous conveyor system moves the garlic through a torrent of filtered water, guaranteeing a pristine product.
We are hitting the target moisture content.
Excellent. Maintain current flow rate.
The dry garlic is efficiently transferred to the crushing unit, ensuring a consistent flow for the next stage of processing.
The process begins with the dual-stage crushing mechanism, designed for maximum efficiency, before the material is transported to the mixing tanks.
The high-speed grinders ensure a consistent texture, a critical step in achieving the desired paste quality.
Pressure is holding steady across the main line.
Confirmed. We are cleared to increase the flow rate to tank 3.
The current viscosity reading is slightly low.
Increasing the rotation speed now. Calibration check complete on line 3. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The flow rate looks stable.
The consistency is perfect at this flow rate.
Keep monitoring the pressure levels on homogenizer 3.
Set point reached on Unit 3.
Confirming the adjustment now. Flow is stable.
Sample 1042 is ready for analysis.
The texture profile is consistent with the standard.
Excellent. We can clear this batch for production.
Flow rate looks stable at 200 liters per minute.
Confirmed. The hoppers are filling on schedule.
The alignment on line 3 is drifting slightly.
I see it. The robotic arm needs a minor calibration adjustment.
Our automated process guarantees precision, ensuring every jar is perfectly filled before advancing down the line.
The vibration seems to be working perfectly. No air bubbles remaining.
Yes, consistency is stable. We can proceed to sealing.
Observe the synchronized motion. As the conveyor moves at a steady pace, the robotic arms execute.
Check the pressure on Unit 3.
Reading steady at 85 kPa.
Timing looks aligned for the next batch.
Seconds. As the sealed jars enter the sterilization tunnel, pressurized steam and controlled temperatures eliminate.
This batch looks good. Seals are intact.
Agreed. Temperature stabilization is holding steady. High-speed cameras and laser sensors scan for imperfections, guaranteeing seal integrity before mechanical pushers swiftly remove any outliers. Here at the cleaning station, filled jars pass through high-speed rotating brushes and powerful air knives, ensuring a residue-free finish.
The alignment is perfect on this batch.
Yes, the calibration held steady.
The printers operate at incredible speed, applying batch details instantly.
And the vision system confirms every code is legible before shipping.
Coluvens. The jars move through the applicators, where protective seals are fitted around the lids. The heat tunnels then tighten.
Revisa el sello de este. Se ve bien. Síguelo.
Make sure the alignment on feeder 7 is calibrated.
It's within tolerance. We are running at peak efficiency.
The automated system ensures a continuous workflow, sealing each carton with precision before it moves to the next stage.
Automated palletizing is the backbone of our modern workflow, handled with precision by these synchronized systems.
The tension on the lower wrap is perfect.
I agree. Logging the balance now. Looks secure.
Good. Mark it complete.
Here in the finished goods warehouse, precision and speed are essential for global distribution.
The temperature in Section 4 is stable.
And the garlic paste inventory aligns with the manifest.
The handheld scanners instantly update the central database, ensuring real-time inventory accuracy.
The pitch stability looks good on the 6-string.
Yeah, the micro adjustments are holding steady.
Pallet 34B is secure. Cross-check with the manifest.
Straps are tight. Confirmed. Ready for the next one.
Truck 42, you are clear to exit Bay 3. Proceed to the main gate. Confirmation required. Here at the regional hub, efficiency is everything. Pallets of garlic paste move continuously from truck to shelf.
Divert this shipment to Platform 4. Expedited processing required.
Make sure the garlic paste is stacked tightly against the bulkhead.
Copy that. Stage the next pallet right here.
Okay, bring the next pallet right over here.
Got it. Scanning the manifest now.
We need these 30 cases on aisle 4. Can you hand me another jar?
Sure, here you go. We're almost finished with this section. That looks perfect. The spacing is consistent across all shelves.
Agreed. Ready for inspection.
Did you find everything okay today? That's the last one.
Yes, thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.
Check the pressure on the secondary rinse cycle here. Okay.
Looks consistent with the last run. The foam is clearing well.
We are clear for final inspection.
This facility utilizes state-of-the-art industrial filtration to clean the wastewater, circulating purified water. Steam output is steady at 150 psi.
Good, the sterilization cycle can begin on schedule.
We have an anomaly on line 3 sorting. The moisture levels are fluctuating.
Adjusting the drying sequence now. It should stabilize the flow within the minute.
The synchronized conveyor systems ensure a seamless transition between the washing and packaging stages.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision robotics ensure maximum output around the clock.
We need to reroute the Mexico shipment through Dock 3 immediately.
Confirmed. I'll update the manifest now. Ensure the pallets are secure before the truck departs.
Our state-of-the-art facility processes tons of fresh garlic daily, ensuring peak flavor.